Okay, so we are going to test the flight suit. Got this online. It's supposed to be for a larger bird. It says size XL. I don't know if you can see that. Anyway, I've got my trusty parrot here. Parrot, step up. Yeah, that's Tony. Hello, Tony. Tony has never, he's never tried one of these before. He's not very happy. It has, on the back here, little Velcro. And I guess you put this over his head, and he wears it like a bow tie. And then this you wrap around his back and tail. And it's supposed to keep the poop in. They're called flight suits. So let's see how Tony likes this. What do you think? Tony's a biter, so I'm not totally excited about this. I have it a little bit up here. I don't want it to hurt him. Okay, Tony, we got to put this over your head. Over your head. Yes. Oh, okay, just over your head. Over your... Yeah, look. How about if we go this way? Over your head. And one. Okay. Oh, there we go. There we go. Yay! Okay. Okay. It's on. It's kind of on. At least you have... That wasn't fun, was it? No. Okay. So now we got to flip the other part underneath them. Yeah. Okay, so step up. Yeah, step up. And now we got to... We're going to put this underneath your wings. Okay, so that's good. Now can you lift one leg? Yeah, kind of lift. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. All right. Well, this is good. There we go. Okay, so now I gotta lift. Is this torture? Is this torture? Lift. Where does that go? Okay. Okay, now, let's see. Let's see you sporting it. So I guess you can hang out with me now. So we'll see if this works. Say bye-bye. I love you too. I love you. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. You gonna say bye-bye? Oh, you sick? Is it the suit that's making you sick? You got a cough? Oh, my goodness. Okay, bye-bye.